Hi everyone, welcome to Kloners. This is Dr. Ramakrishna, a researcher and scientist working on the rooting aids and air layering population. So welcome to the science behind air layering video series. So last video we have learned about the different main important rooting hormones and their combinations for the air layering propagation. In this video, we are going to learn about why do we require different ppm levels of rooting hormones and their combination for the successful air layering. Right. What is ppm? Right. ppm is nothing but parts per million. It is a measuring concentration of one substance in a 1 million parts of mixture. In a simple way of understanding, for example, we have a Kloners 20,000 ppm rooting hormone gel, which means in 1 million mixture of molecules, we have a 20,000 molecules of rooting hormone like IBA and other hormones in our gels. Does ppm really matters for air layering? Yes, absolutely, 100% it matters. It is just like how a doctor prescribes different medicine dosage for kids and adults. In the same way, we need to be specific with ppm dosage while performing the air layering. It is based on the nature of the plant and size of the stem. For example, if you choose a stem belongs to softwood or easy to root, which is less than 1 inch thickness, then you can go for the low ppm like 2000 ppm rooting hormone gel. If your chosen stem belongs to semi-hardwood or difficult to root, which is 1 or 2 inch thickness, then go for the medium level ppm gels like 5000 ppm and 10,000 ppm. Similarly, if your stem belongs to more than 2 inch, which is hardwood and very difficult to root, then we need to go for the higher ppm rooting gels like 20,000 rooting ppm gel. So in conclusion, after choosing the right plant species and right stem size to perform the air layering, choosing the suitable ppm level of hormone matters for successful rooting in the air layering. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you learned something new about the importance of different ppm levels of rooting hormones in the air layering propagation. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment in the comment section. And if you like to try these hormones, please contact us.